Hey ladies, so you see here I have like super short nails right now because I haven't had any acrylics on, but I am going to be using this peel off base coat. We are going to put some glitter on my nails using the pencil stamper, the super slim stamper from Lantern and Wren. So right now I am just prepping my nails, putting the base coat on. It's the pillable one from Hit the Bottle. We're going to make sure that is fully dry before we put our polish on. And the polish that I'm going to be using is Brave Divas Nails National League. It is super duper pretty. It's like blue turns like shifting to purple. Very beautiful. So that is the color that I'm going to put on my base right now. Alright, so it is glitter time. So this is Magpie's Glitter Terra. Super duper chunky holographic silver glitter. It's super duper pretty. So I'm going to be using Orly Bonder. I don't have the Lantern and Wren sticky top coat or the sticky base coat. So I use this. This is like my favorite go-to. I use for glitter, I use for stamping. It's super good. I really, really love it. I have like a big, huge bottle of it too. Anyways, back to the glitter. So you just get your pencil stamper and just stick it inside the container. I mean, it fits in there very perfect. So this is the amount of glitter that you will need. And at the end, you will see that I will still have a lot left over. So all you need is just a little bit, and it saves a lot on glitter if you do it this way. So you don't have to like waste it or anything like that. So all you're doing is you're waiting for your base coat to dry, and then you go ahead and start stamping. Like you're stamping like a regular stamp or a smushy stamp. So right now you're just doing a glitter stamp. So I noticed I still had enough glitter that I'm able to use my second finger with. All I did was just the same thing, tap, tap, tap. Now you can go ahead and redo the steps again if you like. Putting the base coat right on top of the glitter, let that dry, and then redo it again of the steps like the stamping. But I didn't want to do that because I like the blue to peek through. But if you do that, just make sure your base coat, the brush, before you put it back in the bottle, is super duper clean because you don't want any glitters inside your base coat. Anyway, so this is the leftover glitter that I had. So all you really need is just a little bit of glitter. So this is super easy to do, no mess at all. I mean, if I did, it was just like a little bit, but this is super duper easy. So I also started to put the top coat on. Since this was a chunky glitter, I did do it twice. But I really hope you guys like this video. It is super duper quick, but I mean, it's very easy, no mess involved, and waste I did not have much of. So thanks guys for watching. I really do appreciate you, and talk to you guys later. Bye.